Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to sell covered calls on Etrade. First, a covered call involves owning at least 100 shares of a stock and then selling a call option against those shares. This strategy allows you to earn premium income. It's a popular way to generate cash flow from your existing stock holdings, especially if you believe the stock price will remain stable or rise only moderately. We'll walk through the steps on the Etrade platform. Before you can sell covered calls, make sure your Etrade account is approved for options trading. You'll also need to own at least 100 shares of the specific stock you wish to write calls against. It's crucial to choose a stock you're comfortable potentially selling at the strike price. This ensures you understand the risk and reward profile of your trade. To place your order, log into Etrade and find your chosen stock. Go to its options chain. Here, you'll select a strike price that's typically above the current market price and an expiration date. Then, choose Sell to Open for the call option. This action initiates the covered call trade, and you'll see the premium you'll receive immediately. Review all details before confirming. Once your covered call is open, monitor the stock price and the option's time decay. If the stock stays below your strike price, the option will likely expire worthless, and you keep the full premium. If the stock rises significantly, you might consider buying back the option to close the trade and avoid assignment. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Managing these trades effectively is key to consistent income.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.